So if you have 2 and 12, you can put in 5 local bands.
Local bands? What?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So just... I am very keen. When it's my turn, I will try to put some rigs in Denmark.
No, please don't.
But you have to throw the dice.
I start with the poor Romanians. They have enough problems.
Yeah, I just banned fracking.
And this week is a chance for people right across Europe to come together to say, no, we don't want this. We want investment in renewable energy. In Wales, we've got huge resources to develop energy. We don't want fracking. We've had all the dirty industries of the past. It's time to say no.